I have been told to explain the difference between essential and non-essential amino acids, then try to look at the structure of an amino acid and explain the main parts or components making up those parts of that amino acid. So I know very well that we have essential and non-essential amino acids. So essential and non-essential amino acids. And I think these ones cannot be able to get manufactured by the human body. So they can be able to get obtained from the diet we always take on our daily basis. So essential amino acids can get obtained from the diet we take. The food rich in proteins can be able to provide to us amino acids. Why? Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. So be it animal products or plant products, as long as they contain proteins, they can provide to us essential amino acids. So the body cannot be able to synthesize or manufacture or produce these amino acids. And the non-essential amino acids are able to get synthesized, manufactured by the body. So the body can make these amino acids. So they are acids manufactured by the human body. So examples of these essential amino acids can be isoleucine, just to mention a few. We have what you call leucine. As another example, we have what you call methionine. We have what you call histidine. We have what we call phenylalanine. And there's so many. We have what we call lysine. You see, so these are called essential amino acids. There are quite a good number of them. Then the non-essential amino acids can be glutamine. We have glutamic acid. We have what you call serine. We have what you call the other ones. So this glutamine, glutamic acid, serine. We have what you call aspartic acid. We have what you call asparagine or asparaginine. So these ones are just examples of those amino acids that you can be able to have in our environment in terms of if someone talks about essential and non-essential amino acids. So you can have what you call glutamine, glutamic acid. We have talked about aspartic acid. We have talked about serine. We have talked about tyrosine. Of course, you can be able to add tyrosine. You can be able to add proline. So there's so many. And I've said the other ones are actually isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, valine, tryptophan. There are so many. So I think this can just give us a very good summary of those amino acids in terms of the difference between those two major categories of amino acids. And of course, if I mention this, I'm going to have this as a very simple structure of an amino acid. And this part of this amino acid is called the amine or the amino group, or the amine or the amino group. So the amine or the amino group. You can be able to have this, see, this is called the alpha carbon. Of course, alpha means the beginning. So from this other end, the beginning, the starting point of that carbon atom attached to the amine or the amino group is called the alpha carbon. And you can be able to have a hydrogen here. This can also be able to get referred to as the alpha hydrogen. I think you know this. For those that know, I think you understand what I'm trying to say by the alpha hydrogen. The hydrogen attached on that carbon that begins our chain that gets attached onto that amine or the amino group. Then you can be able to have another C that can be able to actually give us this aspect. And of course, this C can have R. This is called the R chain, the longest carbon chain. It is also called the variant or the variance. In terms of that arrangement of the carbon atoms, it can be able to actually get referred to as a very long chain of carbon atoms getting attached on this alpha carbon. So the R chain, the side chain, the variant, you see, the longest carbon chain. Then this C can get attached onto a double aspect of the arrangement in terms of those two parts. So this is what you call the carboxyl part or the carboxylate part. that has a carbon atom getting bonded with an oxygen atom by the aid of what you call two covalent bonds, and the same carbon getting attached onto the OH, which is called the ol part in the alkanols. So that this OH can also get attached to this carbon atom to form what you call the carboxylate or the carboxyl part. Very good. So the amino, the amine group, the alpha carbon starting in that chain, and it actually gets attached onto this amino, the amine group. And we have what you call the longest chain of the carbon atoms, the R chain, the side chain, and of course the variant. We have this hydrogen called the alpha hydrogen getting attached onto that alpha carbon, and this carboxylate or the carboxyl part that has a double bond when the bonding occurs between it and oxygen, and a single bond when bonding occurs between that carbon atom and the OH part. So thank you so much, and let's meet in our next lesson.